Welcome back to Te Ao or Tāne Mahuta, the God of the forest and the birds. Right, for our level 3, we're going to introduce to you the Māori bird movement called Patanga. Now, Patanga is a natural form of movement just like so. Just a little flick, landing on the balls of the feet. Boy, not flat-footed, and you want to keep nice and light. Clear, and back into our neutral stance. Now, with the similar structure that we've got on level 1 and level 2, we will go for the structure of being a static movement, a dynamic movement, and a progressive movement. Now, all of these movements will lead into the Māori movement of Patanga. So, just to introduce the first one. Good. Hands on the hips again, go through a postural analysis. Nice and tall. Good. Ka pai. So the first static movement is just our normal calf raises. And remember, we're working in repetitions of 20 reps. Urera, e tima tai tātou. Kia rite, tukua, hei. Now this is also a really good warm-up for you to allow your body just to move through the space and get it ready and prepared for the more dynamic movement. And we're going to clear that and come back into our static position. Right, the next one is a dynamic movement, which is a balanced movement that you're going to be moving back and forth. Moving back and forth, just like so. Kia rite, tukua, hei. Again, breathing is important. Focus on the upper body as well. Keeping your posture nice and straight. Stay tall. And nearly there. On the balls of the feet. And let's clear that. Whakawāt out. Come back into neutral. Now we're going to do the same for the left side moving forward. Kia rite, tukua, hei. And again, making sure our posture is nice and tidy. Good, stay square. Good, hip square. Keep your breathing. Nice, easy breathing. And last one. And clear that. Good, coming back into neutral. Now we move into the progressional side. Good, and the progression, flicking through. Flick, catch, flick, catch, flick, catch, flick, catch. Good. Right foot's going forward first. 20 repetitions. Kia rite, tukua, hei! Wha, rima, ono. Stay nice and light and on the balls of our feet. And last 10. Flick, pull, flick, land, flick, land, flick, land. Posture, land, flick, land, flick. Coming to the end, last one. And clear that out, coming into our neutral position. Ka pai. Now we're going to put that into our 30-second on, 30-second off. This is where you get to play with a little bit. So now we create the repetition for you. We apply it to the music, allow it to sink into your body. We go through 2 times. By the second round, you should have it embedded into your body. We're gonna start in this position here, hands on the hips. Good, right leg's gonna move forward. We're gonna go for 30 seconds. Good, breathing, posture. Waiting for our second conch level. And I'll count us in. 3, 2, 1, let's move. Hey. Again, you just wanna focus on your breathing. Keep your posture nice and aligned. Nice tidy lines, nice and light. Good. As you can feel, the energy is starting to brew through to both Edmund and Sophie. Embody the spirit of Tāne Mahuta. Just keep nice and light. Flick the legs. Allow your legs to do the work and breathe in the nose and out the mouth. And 3, 2, 1, stop and clear. Bang, coming back into neutral, right? You've got 30 seconds to breathe in the nose and out the mouth. Your heart rate should be up. Your legs should be a little bit fatigued, but enough to go again. So through this interval training, in this section, through Patanga, we want to be able to train repetition. Repetition being the mother of skill. The more times you do it, the better you're going to get at it. Koe te ngā pōwehi. In the end, we want to make sure that we're nice and stable up top too. Just because our legs are doing all the work doesn't mean we stop working up in the top half. Keep breathing, keep your posture up and down. Let's get ready. Right leg back. Tu tāne, tu waine. Last 30 seconds on. Don't forget to breathe. And go. Remember, posture has to be aligned as well. Keep your back nice and straight. Keep your abs nice and tight. And flicker the legs. Now start to really embody the spirit of Tāne Mahuta. And there's our first trigger. All right, we've got 15 seconds to go. By now, you should be able to process the Māori movement of Patanga. Keep pushing through. Keep pushing through. We're nearly there. And keep going, nearly there. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear. Whakawātea to mai. Very good. Now that is the art form of Patanga. Now we're going to move through to our challenge. So this challenge, level 3, papahoronuku to the beeps, 2 minutes, as many repetitions as you possibly can get. So in 2 minutes for females, should be aiming for anywhere between 40 and 75. That's a big gap, but if you're able to handle it, push on through. For our men, anywhere between 80 and 100. Get into our final position. Papahoronuku, heels, base, knees, hips disengaged. Here we go, hands on the hips for men, cupping, for females on the fist. Okay, here we go. Start on the balls of your feet, knees towards your toes. Yarite. Don't forget to breathe and count your repetitions. Right, there's the challenge, there's the goal ahead of you. Keep on track. The aim is to always try and beat your previous number. And let's go. Now 2 minutes is a long time. So you can break this up in 10s if you want to. If you want to have 10 and have a rest, kai te pai tērā. If you want to have 10 and keep having a cup of coffee while you're doing it, kai te pai tērā hoki. That's all good. Now what you're going to experience through this challenge is the buildup of lactic acid in the quads. But what I want you to do is I want you to try and push through it. Try and get another extra top up of 5 reps on top of the burn. If you can manage that and you can stop, shake it out. Good. Good. Keep pushing through. Keep pushing through. You can break just like that. Now really start to feel that burn. All right, here we go. Bang. And push it through. Even if it gets slower, but try and maintain the integrity of your posture. Try not to buckle. And if you need to take a rest, don't forget to take a rest. Good, keep pushing through. Now the sweat should be starting to drip. You should be starting to feel the pain and the burn. Good, this is what advanced level Māori movement is all about. Pushing through the pain barriers. All right, last 30 seconds. Now you're starting to push. Maintain the integrity. Keep your posture nice and tidy. Yeah, fight for each rep. Fight for it. Good, 2 minutes is all it takes. Don't stop. Good. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rite. Good. How many repetitions did you get in that 2 minutes? 50. There we go. 80. Good. And I'll float somewhere around 80 as well. Nō reira, tēnei te mihi atu kia koutou mā Tāne Mahuta. Kua ea.